welcome to your reading. This is a timeless intuitive reading for the sign of Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and North Node as well. So if you have any of those placements, Pisces in any of those placements, then this reading is for you. So thank you to any returning viewers or subscribers. If this resonates, please hit the like button and the bell. I've cleansed and meditated over your space, so we're going to get straight into your reading. What insights do we have for Pisces, for the highest good and for the highest good of all? What insights do we have for Pisces, please, for their highest good? Okay, so first you have Star Family. You're part of a team of souls. Call in support. So Pisces, you're a very spiritual individual. So you need to be aware of this in this current situation and know that you can call in help from your angels, guides, ancestors. And you also have I'm sorry, defenselessness, righting past wrongs, and uprooting. So can we have more on the Star Family for Pisces, for their highest good and for the highest good of all? The Star wanted to jump out of the deck there. So this may as well be the Star, but this is listening to this side of yourself, this aspect of your personality, in actually calling in spiritual support, believing in this spiritual gifts that you have. You're going to achieve a victory with this Six of Wands. So can I get more on this Six of Wands to the Star Family? Okay, you've been working on this. Eight of Pentacles. It's something you've been very studious at. It's what you're able to do really well. It's your craft. So don't doubt this. Can I get one more on this Star Family? Okay, you have Three of Cups. So don't doubt these gifts. Don't doubt your spiritual gifts at all, Pisces. You're the 12th sign of the zodiac. Possibly the most spiritual. I'm sorry, defensiveness, righting past wrongs. Can we get more on this righting past wrongs, please? Maybe you're maturing spiritually now, Pisces, and that means you'll be able to right these past wrongs. Can we get more on the I'm sorry? Okay, you've been guarded. Nine of Wands. Can we get more on these righting past wrongs to the Nine of Wands? You have to lower your guard to be able to right these wrongs, Pisces. Nobody's perfect. You have to forgive people. We have King of Pentacles. If you can do this, then you can have this balanced, well-rounded, abundant, in-control life for yourself. So can I get one more piece of advice for Pisces to close out the reading with regard to balance and spiritual gifts, harnessing their spiritual side? One more, Pisces, please. Okay, you have lifting the veil, questioning everything, anything unaligned must go. I think you got this in your last reading, Pisces. And you have all paths lead to home. Inner authority, intuition, that's you, Pisces. You're the High Priestess. Turn your gaze within. You're also the Queen of Cups in the minor, or in the court cards. So my cup first. Turn your gaze within. She's gazing at her own cup. So I hope this helps. 444 on the clock as we finish. Until next time, take care.